Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, today is May 21, 2021. It means May 21 means World Culture Day. विश्व संस्कृति दिवस अहिले हामीले यतिखेर मनाइरहेका छौँ. We have been celebrating World Culture Day. So, spending no time today, we are going to play social quiz SEE related questions, especially social studies quiz. I think this may be very fruitful program for you. It is because for the first time we are playing such a game in online class. Hello, are you ready or not? So far we have how many participants so far? Hello, Sajan or Chalak? Sajan,
Present, sir.
okay, Sajan, Chalak are here, and Sajan is going to play the role of timekeeper and scorekeeper as a Chalak Khatri. Okay, and so far we have how many participants? 24. Yes, again, Karu, Garima, Niruka, Susan also. And let me share screen for today. And you also know, all of us should know that such kind of game, such kind of class will help you, or it makes a student quick-minded. It will be helpful for further education and also higher education. How many participants so far? And it will be better to start from audio visual. That's why I shared my screen. Hello, ready? Sajan, Talak, ready or not? Especially you two boys should get ready. Should get ready in a sense
Yes, sir, we
that
are ready.
because you are very helping students and also supporting, and you are also champions in the quiz sector. But we are focusing on social studies today, which are very very important for SE
Yes,
examination
sir.
and also for further education or higher education. I'm repeatedly saying this. So it is not necessary to turn on your video in terms of our in terms of our video round, I must say, audio round, I must say, rather than video and audio. So here we start, and for right answer, you need to give 1 mark only. 1 mark, okay, 1 mark. Just mind it. One score, 1 point, whatever you say, and only 5 second. Only 5 second is given for our digital round. Sajan, listening at that?
Sir,
Yes.
the answer is telling us that you won't be able to take science class. So only 40 minutes is not sufficient. So you can
If possible,
send
we
the
will
next.
finish. Otherwise, we have also another class in coming week. Also, we can continue. For today, we have to wrap up
Okay, sir.
our program as per our setting. Okay. So
Sure.
it will be better to start. I'm sure it will be very very fruitful. I'm repeatedly saying this one. Okay, here we start. Who wants to say at first? And Jhalak, you can also Jhalak and especially Sajan. Sajan can uh, give some help in this regard. Who is there? Who is not there in participant side? How many participants so far? How many participants? Let me know.
Sir, only
22.
three.
22. Okay, it doesn't matter. Here we start. In this way. Okay, here we start from Lalita Thapa. Get ready. Lalita Thapa and Asika Thapa. Write down. Hello, Jhalak. ललिता थापा एन्ड आशिका. यसरी विद्यार्थीको नाम लिँदाखेरि हाम्रो साजनले भन्दाखेरि बेटर हुन्छ. मैले यताउता हेरिराख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ क्वेसन है. हेलो ललिता एन्ड आशिका, गेट रेडी. Is Lalita here or not?
Answer, sir.
Okay. Now you have to tell me or tell us. Is screen visible? Yes. For Lalita, right hand side. Who is he? He is famous personality.
Martin Luther King.
Okay, that's right answer. Martin Luther King. 1 mark
King
for
Martin.
Lalita. Okay, that's right. Okay, then after Asika. Asika, unmute your mic. Asika Takal. Once I ask questions, then time starts.
Sir, Gansake.
Yes, I'm saying this question, the left hand side question. Which river is this one? Okay, 5 seconds.
Nile.
Nile River, that's right answer. So far, 2 students and so far, so good, very, very good questions, good answer, and the good students, and a good program as well. Okay, here we have. Okay, Sajan, tell me which participant will be better for next question.
Sir, Emilio.
Hello, Sajan. To respond,
हजुर सर
कसलाई सोध्ने you can tell me. मैले उता हेन्डलसम्म ढिला हुन्छ भने अगाडि जे छ त्यही
यस
भन्नु
सर
अगाडि जे छ त्यही भन्नु न ल नभए झलकले भन्नु sorry for disturbance because of weak signal okay back to our business and okay which students are ready झलक hello झलक
हजुर सर
do response कसलाई सोध्नु पर्ला तिमीले त्यो लेख्दै गर्नु है त फर्स्ट
सर नीला नीला
two students you have to say
नीला एन्ड एलिसा
Nila, not Nila, Nila Rajan Fasu. Okay. Hello, Nila, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, your questions is coming. Nila and who is saying? Nila and next? Hello?
एलिसा
Elisa.
एलिसा सुवाल
Okay, Elisa Swal. Okay, for Nila left hand side, who is he? He is Bhimdatta Panta. Yes. From his name or to pay fitting tribute, or highway was also named after this personality. What highway is that one? Time starts now. Timekeeper. I think time is over. Sajan is not responding. भीमदत्त पन्तको नामबाट पछाडि एउटा उसलाई सम्मान गर्नको लागि एउटा हाइवेको नाम राखेको छ त्यो हाइवेको नाम के भनेको भीमदत्त पन्त हाइवे हो धनगढीदेखि ददेलधुरासम्म हैन त हैन साजन झलक यस सर नो
यस
Yes,
सर
sir.
Okay, now for Elisa, I think yes. Right hand side figure is also logo of world famous organization. So tell us the organization having such a logo. Tell us once again. Is her answer correct or not, Sajan and Talak? You can also give your decision. अलिक क्लियर भएन फेरि एकचोटि भनौँ त टाइम त गइसकेको छ त्यही पनि युएनओ भनेको हो चालक झलक हेलो मिलेन है आन्सर युएनएचसिआर युएनएचसिआर हो यो के होला भन्नु त भन्नु ल साधन चालक अल्सो यु क्यान अडियन्स क्यान से अडियन्स भने पनि हामीले अडियन्स भने पनि स्पेक्टेटर्स भने पनि भ्युअर्स भने पनि एउटै हो एक्चुअली इट इज अफ युएनएचआरसी ओके युएनएचआरसी मिन्स युनाइटेड नेसन ह्युमन राइट कमिसन we have studied in the human rights and the national international agencies. Okay, Chalak, thank you Nila and Elisa. Chalak, give me two participants name like before. First,
Vijaya and Ayush.
Vijay and Ayush, ready or not? Hello,
Yes,
Vijay,
sir.
Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Unmute yourself.
Hazır
Okay.
sir.
Okay, for Vijay left hand side. Whose statue is this one? Timekeeper is not saying. I think time is over. I have given just 5 seconds. Okay, Visa and what? Next one. Next participant.
Sir, Ayush.
Ayush. Hello, tell me Ayush. Who is he? What is his name?
एक नहीं यो मान्छे त
Tell us fast. Vice President of Nepal. What is his name?
Sir, time out.
Time out. Okay. Anybody can tell us.
Sir, he is Nanda Bahadur Poon, I think.
Nanda Kishore Poon. Yes, Vice President Nanda Kishore Poon. Okay. Jalak, next 2 participants' name. Thank you, Vijaya and Ayush. Hello.
Sir, next to Amrit and Sumitra.
Amit and Sumitra, get ready fast. Yeah, we have next question. Actually, I have already shown mistakenly. Yes. Amrit. Hello, Amrit. For Amrit, left hand side. What is this? This is what to say, settlement. Yes. Oh, यसरी हिउँबाट यो के बनाइरहेको छ? यसको नाम के हो?
Igloo.
What? Once again. इसको नाम igloo. That's right answer. 1 point for our Amrit. Ice block igloo. Okay. Sumitra. Sumitra. In which continent is such city or cape related? कुन कन्टिनेन्टमा छ रे यो के मात्र कन्टिनेन्ट मात्र भन्नु पर्यो. It is an example of cape. CAPE cape. Cape भनेको समुद्र नजिकको एकदम पहाडलाई हामी के भन्छौं? अलिकति हाई अल्टिट्युड भएकोलाई हामी के भन्छौं? केप भन्छौं. Timekeeper, Sumitra, to respond you can guess as well because we have studied only 3 continents in class 10.
Sir, time off.
Time off. Okay, you can give answer. Who want to say answer? Anybody, any participant or remaining? What is correct answer of this picture? Picture is related to
सर it's South America.
this is
Sir, कुन river हो?
Africa. River हैन यो, river हैन यो, हाम्रो समुद्र हो यो. है केप अफ गुड होप भनेर पढेका छौं नि हामीले. है ओके. Next, Jalak, 2 participants name I want at once.
Sir, Vishal and Deepsika.
Vishal and Deepsika, get ready for Vishal. Left hand side. 2 greatest leaders are found over here related to Russian Revolution. Who are they? Vishal, left hand side. Next to Vishal is Vishal सँगै को भनेको थियो भर्खर?
Sir, Deepsika.
Okay, Deepsika also get ready. Hello, timekeeper. Is time remaining or finished? Okay. Who are they? If so, who are they? 2 great figures, 2 greatest leaders, great teachers of all
Lenin and
proletarian.
Stalin.
Lenin and Stalin. That's right. They led what? To Russian Revolution. Okay, Deepsika, you have to say tax evasion. Tax evasion हामी नेपालीमा के भन्छौं? Very simple question, I think so. Tax evasion लाई के भन्छौं नेपालीमा? Is it clear or not? Tax evasion. EVASION. Jalak, just remind me how many questions were finished?
Sir, about 9 questions.
9 questions? Okay.
Questions.
Okay, this will be the second last question. Then after this round, we will go through general round. Okay. Look, okay. Let's tax evasion भनेको के हो भनिदिनु त कसैले. And Jalak also give me 2 participants next for next questions. Kor Chali, that's right answer. कसले भनेको? Okay, Jalak, give me 2 names. First.
Sir, Joel and Sadipa.
Joel Manandar, I think so. Sadipa ढकाल होला हैन? Okay न? Oh, this अब okay, Joel लाई भन्दै छु. Hello Joel, are you ready? When was new map भन्दा पनि real map we must say. When was this when was this map released by Nepal government? In just 2077. कहिले यो नेपालको म्याप हामी रिलिज गरेको रे हाम्रो नेपाल गभर्नमेन्टले भन्नु त
Z7 जस्तो लाग्यो सर
Okay, that's right answer. Z7. You are brilliant. And then next one is Sadipa. You have to say किन यो नाम किन यो नयाँ नेपालको म्याप निष्कासन गरेको अथवा रिलिज गरेको why was such Nepal's map released? तीनटा कुरा छ नि हैन तीनटा कुरा इन्कोर्स गरेको थियो नि त इन्डियाले हैन what are they which places are being encouraged by India regarding this Nepal map you have to say. Hello Sadipa Takal ho. Okay, not responding. La, anybody who wants to say answer of those
Sir,
three places?
just a 7.
Just a 7. Then the 3 places are being encroached by India, but yet to give.
Ipule, Kalapani, and
Limpiatura.
Okay, that's right answer. Limpiatura, Kalapani, and what? What we said? Limpiatura. Okay.
Limpiatura, Ipule, Kalapani.
Okay, 2 names I want. Hello, Chalak. 2 names I want.
Sir, Sayuz and Susan. Sayuz and Susan.
Okay, Sai and Susan, you have to turn on your video now. We are entering into next round, general round. Okay. I started from visual round so that you can have great flavor in this context. Hello, Sayus. Once again, their name. Turn
Sir,
on
Sayuz only.
Okay, Sayus Dhagal, turn on your video fast. Sayus and what? एकैबाजी दुईजनाको भन्नु
Susan.
So as we can
Sayuz and Susan.
finish or wrap up our program. Susan Sayusले भनिरहेको त्यो हाम्रो उ गरिरहेको छैन खै भिडियो टर्न गर भनेको हैन ल हेलो सुजन के प्रब्लम छ कि के छ भिडियो अन भइरहेछ कि छैन सायुस छैन ल अरु हजुर नगर्ने भए भिडियो अन नगरिकन हुँदैन पाउ कसरी बिलिभ गर्ने हामीले त उसमा हामीले एउटा शेयर स्क्रिन गरेर गरेका हौ नि नभए अरुको नाम लिनु त ल
सर सुजन नै भइन्छ
हजुर व्हाट ह्यापन
सुजन नै छैन अहिले
सुजन छैन भने अर्कोको नाम ल्याउ त हेलो
Sir, the participants are finished and the old participants required. Two
Okay.
name is Nila and Ayush.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
Nila
okay.
and Ayush.
ओके नीला टर्न अन योर भिडियो फास्ट नेट प्रब्लम होला एकदम घटिरहेछ के हो ल ल छिटो जोसुकै आए पनि हुन्छ ल ओके नीलाले भिडियो अन गरेको ओके नीला एन्ड अल्सो गेट रेडी एनदर झलक यु हैव टु गिभ सिम्बल for Nila when was Nepal declared Federal Democratic Republic country very simple question when was Nepal declared Federal Democratic Republican country when was Nepal declared full date Sajan 5 seconds
2063 होइन 2065 वैशाख
2065 just a 15 okay next turn okay whose turn is coming hello chalak fast
Sir, Ayush Rajpar.
Ayush hello Ayush come fast hello Ayush
sir.
okay तिम्रो को त्यो भिडियो को ओके भिडियो को प्रब्लम छ कि के छ
छैन सर
छैन है
no
okay who introduced the concept of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights internationally
Human Rights International Eleanor
Roosevelt that's right answer okay Eleanor Roosevelt that's right answer 1 point for Ayush okay next turn hello Jalak whose turn is coming through
Vijaya and Deepsika.
okay Vijaya hello Vijaya ready when was the
Yes, sir.
When was the first economic planning started in Nepal? नेपालमा इकोनोमिक प्लानिङ कहिले सुरु भएको थियो? ल भिडियो अन गर्नु पर्दैन है तिमीलाई गाह्रो छ भने फेरि यहाँ नेटको प्रब्लम जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई आई थिंक सो ल फास्ट बरु उतापट्टि शेयर स्क्रिन गरिराख्नु पर्ला मैले है ल भन्नु त इकोनोमिक प्लानिङ कहिले सुरु भयो रे नेपालमा
2013
2013 okay
BS.
that's right answer 2013 okay next one who's done
Deepshikha.
oh Deepshikha tell me in which country is Belt located country or continent VELD Belt grassland भन्ने छ नि है कुन कन्टिनेन्टमा पर्छ त भन्नु त once again continent or country Belt कहाँ पर्छ रे थाहा भएन ओके अरूले भन्नु त साजन ई साजन हेर न खै आउट भयो कि क्या हो त्यो साजन छ झलक हेर त नट रेस्पोन्डिङ ल भेल्ट कहाँ पर्छ भनिदेऊ कसैले भन्नु न
Sir, Africa.
अफ्रिका ओके अफ्रिकाको पनि फेरि अझ भन्नु पर्दाखेरि साउथ अफ्रिकामा पर्छ अफ्रिका कन्टिनेन्टको है त ओके हुज डन अमन बाला इज कमिङ कसैको भन्नु त ल
अफ्रिका सर
ओके नेक्स्ट वान हुज डन
Deepak and Lalita.
Deepak and Lalita. Hello, Deepak. For Deepak, what is the headquarter of
हजुर सर
Dolka? Dolka को headquarter को नाम के हो? Where is Gauri Shankar peak is located? From which we can reckon or which we can determine the standard time of Nepal. Dolka को सदरमुकाम को नाम के हो? तो पढौं त छिटो. Okay, after Deepak, who's done? Deepshika is coming here.
So Lalita Thapa.
Okay, Lalita, tell me. Okay, Charikot is the headquarter of what? Dolka. Okay, where is Somali Peninsula located? In which country is Somali Peninsula located? Somali Peninsula कहाँ पर्छ रे? कुन देशमा पर्छ? Okay.
थाहा भयो सर
ओके नेक्स्ट वान सोमालियामा पर्छ नि हैन जन त्यो क्वेशनमै आन्सर छ त ल ओके हुज डन फर्स्ट
Sir, Joel and Sayuj. Joel and Sayuj.
ओके जोएलले अघि आन्सर मिलाएको थियो नि है ल
Yes, sir.
हेलो जोएल यु हैव टु टेल मी व्हाट इज द फुल फर्म अफ UNFPA UNFPA you have studied in EPS as well
United Nation
yes
United Nation Food Program
sorry United Nation Fund for Population Activities WHO भन्ने छ रे हाम्रो FAO भन्ने छ नि त फुडको लागि है त once again UNFPA stands for United Nations Fund for Population Activities okay next one who's done Talak
Sayuj Dhakal.
Sayuj Dhakal hello Sayuj ready okay you have to tell me where is Prairies located Prairies कहाँ पर्छ Prairies grassland where is it means continent you have to say in which continent do we find prairies South America wrong answer North America okay Chalak next one
Sir, Ashika and Sumitra.
Ashika Sumitra is here or not are here or not
yes sir
okay Ashika you have to tell me what is the spelling of Mississippi third largest longest river of the world and also biggest and the longest river of North America spelling of Mississippi I want
Mississippi
yes
MISS सर लेखेर भन्न पाइन्छ कि पाइँदैन
पाइन्छ लेखेरै भन्ने त हो नि ल छिटो ल अब अलिकति टाइम कन्सिडर गरौँ साजन लेख्नु जेसम्म टाइम लाग्छ फेरि फास्ट टु फास्ट
MISSIPIA
that's wrong answer. MISSISSIPPI. It means it has 4S, 4I. Once again, MISSISSIPPI. Mississippi.
PPI.
Okay. Okay, who's done? Next one. Sumitra. Oh? Sumitra or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sumitra's turn is when was USA discovered? It is from North America. USA होइन कि इन्डियाको कुरा गरेँ ल ठिक छ युएसए नै हो मैले युएसए भनेको थिएँ मैले है इन्डिया त 1498 मा हो होइन युएसए कहिले पत्ता लाग्यो 1492 who is saying that's right answer Sumitra has scored okay 1 point yes next two students I won hello Chalak
So again, Vijaya and Deepshika.
Vijaya and Deepshika. Vijaya, you have to say.
sir
Okay. Highest capital of the world. Which city is the highest in the world? From the city.
हाइएस्ट के भन्नुभएको
Highest capital in the world. संसारकै सबभन्दा उचाइमा रहेको क्यापिटलको नाम के हो? नेपालमा चाहिँ सदरमुकाममा हुम्लाको सिनीकोटमा जस्तै संसारको राजधानीमा सबभन्दा उच्च स्थानमा रहेको राजधानीको नाम के हो
बोलिभियामा छ हो सर
Okay, that's right answer. Bolivia. Okay, next one. Okay, Vijaya पछि के हो? Vijaya has right answer. Next one. कसको पालो हो? Hello, कसको पालो? Wait. कसको पालो भनिरहेको छैन सुनिरहेको छैन मैले कसको पालो भनेको
So Deepshika.
Okay, Deepshika. In which continent is the biggest rift valley? संसारको सबभन्दा ठुलो रिफ्ट भ्याली कुन कन्टिनेन्टमा पर्छ In which continent? First, we have studied only 3 continents as I said before. Kun continent? You can guess. We have no time. Okay, how many questions were? South America. Wrong answer. Africa. Okay. Again, we are entering into audio round. Okay. Not sorry. Visual round. I must say. Okay. 2 students I want. Hello, Jalak. 2 students' name.
Sir, again we have Joel and Deepak.
Joel and Deepak. Hello, Joel. Ready? Okay, for Joel, which temple is this one? And where is it located? District name. In which district is this religious place located? Joel Manandar. Is Joel here or not? Yes.
मनोकामना जस्तो लाग्यो
Yes, and district name?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट मुस्ताङ होला नि
Oh my God. And goddess, I must say. What is the right answer? Chalak, tell them, tell us.
Gorkha, sir.
Gorkha. Okay, thank you, Ayush.
Gorkha.
Okay, Joel. Okay, Joel and next. Who is coming here as a participant?
Deepak.
Contestant. Okay, Deepak. 2 figures, 2 senior most leaders, I must say. Who are they? Deepak, don't take long time. We have only 5 seconds. Who are they? Who are they? They are senior politician of Nepal.
Narayanman Bijokche and
Tell us.
Ganesh Man Singh.
What? Ganesh Man Singh, that's right answer. Commander, yes? Commander, Supreme Commander of People's Movement First and Narayanman Bijokche, senior most leader of Nepal at present. Okay, next 2 persons, two participants. Hello, Chalak. We have only 7 minutes.
Sir Asim and सायुज
हेलो असिम फर असिम कोजु लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड त्यो पढ्दैन भनिरहेछ हो कार्टुनमा हो फेरि ओली प्रधानमन्त्री भनेको छ आज को प्रधानमन्त्री बन्दैछ येट टु नो है आज 5 दिनसम्म एक्चुअली इट इज कमेडी अफ इरोड भन्ने पनि हुन्छ 24 घण्टाभित्र अब को प्रधानमन्त्री बन्यो भनेर राष्ट्रपतिले आह्वान गरिसकेको छ एनिवे बढ्दो मृत्यु दर अस्पताल चाहँदै मृत्यु अक्सिजन नपाएर मृत्यु आइसियु कुदाकुदै मृत्यु धेरै मृत्यु भइरहेछ होइन त्यो पढ्दैन केसँग सम्बन्धित कार्टुन हो यो असिम टाइम स्टार्ट नाउ
अहिलेको सिचुएसनको सम्बन्धित कोरोनाको
नो सिचुएसन भन्नु परेन केसँग सम्बन्धित भन्नु पर्यो नि के कुरामा त्यो पढ्दैन भनेको उसले
कोरोनाको सिचुएसन
ल अब त्यो मिलेन त्यो मिलेन कार्टुन भनेपछि सिधा भनेन नि ल साजनले भन्यो व्हाट इज दिस फास्ट
Sir, the Prime Minister was he was re-elected Prime Minister, and our President did this.
Okay, as a Prime Minister
As a reply, he get
त्यो पढेन प्रतिज्ञा गर्छु भन्ने ठाउँमा त्यो पढेन भनेर राष्ट्रपतिलाई नै त्यो एक किसिमबाट आदेश दिएको अवस्था हैन अथवा द्याट इज भायोलेसन अफ द के हो राष्ट्रपति भनेर संस्थालाई मानमदन गरेको अवस्था हो ओके नेक्स्ट वान हेलो हु इज हियर along with Asim who is here Sayuj when was this constitution promulgated in Nepal full date
Ashwin 2072
okay that's right answer again 1 point for Ayush के नाम के रे Sayuj हो okay next two name fast झलक मैले भनिराख्न नपरोस् न fast two name
Ayush and Lalita
Ayush and hello Ayush you have to tell me what is this
Lalita
what is this Ayush what is this and Lalita also first you have you will have to face question from this picture what is this
स्क्रिन नै देखेको छैन मेरोमा
स्क्रिन शेयर भएको छैन अघि के
सर
देखिरहेको छ
भर्खरकै स्क्रिन आइरहेछ
ए आयो
स्क्रिन आइरहेछ त मेरोमा कसरी
Sir,
ल okay yes go on
This is Rift Valley in Rift Valley only.
wrong answer okay Lalita for Lalita which river is shown on this picture which river tell us fast we have no time okay this is Colorado River and also what Grand Canyon हेर्नु त 1800 meter down है माथि हेर्नु त माथि यो कर्सर देखिरा होला यहाँ माथि कर्सरबाट तल खस्यो भने तल पुग्नु भन्दा पनि नै माथि पुग्छ है के होइन यति हाइटको छ के यो यति अल्टिट्युडको छ यति रिस्की छ डेन्जरस छ भनेको है टु नेम हेलो चलो टु नेम फास्ट
Lalita
ललिता ओ इज ओभर ललितालाई मैले क्वेशन सोचिसकेँ नेक्स्ट वान व्हाट फास्ट हेलो रेस्पेक्टिभली भन्नु न त्यहाँ को आइरहेछ
Ashika and Deepak
ओके आशिका बा त्यस्तो धरहरा कहिले बन्छ रे अक्सिजनको धरहरा यस
Ashika and Deepak
we need oxygen धरहरा than real धरहरा yes that धरहरा was opened on which day National Reconstruction Authority has recently built त्यो धरहरा कहिले ओपनिङ गरेको होला भन्नु त when was this धरहरा opened officially
I think sir it's Baishak 13.
Baishak 13 is wrong answer Baishak 11 okay Loktantra Day on the auspicious occasion of okay next one is who is here what is this definitely it is restaurant हो यस्तो भाग डिजर्टमा पनि यस्तो पानी हुन्छ कहिले काहीँ भने त्यस्तोलाई के भने त्यो एरियालाई फ्रम जियोग्राफिकल पोइन्ट अफ भ्यू who is here ल not responding त्यसलाई के भन्छौं रे ल भन्देऊ आयुष Oasis that's right answer two name I want once again hello two name झलक
Sir, again, Nila and
Nila.
Nila and
Tell
Joel.
us. Hello, tell us, Nila. You हाम्रो छ नि यो camel is also known as what? हामीले पढेका छौँ नि camel लाई के भन्छौँ हामी?
Sheep of desert कि
That's right
desert sheep
answer.
हो
Okay,
sir.
that is right answer. Next one, which year? Who is he? First. Whose turn, Chalak? Not saying. Who is he?
Joel.
Once again,
Joel.
Jewel is not responding. Right answer is what? दुईजनाको नाम भन्नु त झलकले छिटो पहिला.
माधव प्रसाद
माधव प्रसाद घिमिरे।
माधव प्रसाद घिमिरे।
ओके, माधव सर घिमिरे त अब यहाँ मरेको मान्छे त आउँदैन, दुईजनाको नाम लिऊ भनेको थिएँ मैले, एकजना मात्र नाम लिऊ तिमीले
ए
है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वान, दुईजनाको नाम भन्नु त यो. नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेन्ट फास्ट. वी हैव ओन्ली 1 minute. हेलो ल, हु इज
Sumitra and Vijaya.
ओके सुमित्रा, टेल मी हु इज सी?
सिन्सियरै भएन।
सिन्सियर भएको छैन. माय गॉड, व्हाट ह्यापन्ड?